Hey guys, it's Ivy and time for Walgreens Cheap deals this week. We have 3 deals plus a possible moneymaker with a moneymaker. Don't forget to pick up your flyer, guys, at the front that has the featured deals of the week. And we have a earn $10 when you spend 10 in store and online. That is the coupon we will be concentrating on. And they have a number of high value coupons right here, guys. Make sure you utilize the high value coupons with possible registered rewards or more Walgreens cash you can earn. Look at these two Maybelline high value coupons, a $10 and a $12. Those will make some awesome stocking stuffer gifts, guys. It is so many coupons that you can utilize. Make sure you go through your coupons and find the items that you could use. Now, I'm going to show you this right here. The Rimmel, I want to use the Rimmel coupon. It is not scanning. Let me show you what you do when this happens with makeup. This is just FYI. You see when it says no? Flip that over. Find the product barcode right here and then scan it. See, buy one, get one 50% off. But I also had a $4 coupon, but that's neither here nor there. We're going to go to the Vaseline right here, the petroleum jelly. Your girl got to put Vaseline on in the winter time. So it's $5.29 plus buy one, get one 50% off. We're not concentrating on the 50% off, okay? You don't always have to do that. We're going to scan it right here. And whenever the tag won't scan the barcode on the product itself, guys. And as you can see, $4.99 plus we have a $2 coupon. Whenever you see that red plus mark, you need to tap it, turn it into a check mark, okay? Then find your product in there to see if it is going to attach to that coupon. Now, I also picked up the baby lifts. Remember the $12 coupon and the $10 coupon. What you need, I picked up a variety of them because I want to make sure every one of them attached to those coupons. So as you can see, the Baby Lips by Maybelline is $6.99. I have a 12 off 2 coupon. But when I scroll down, I have a 12 off 2 and a 10 off of 2. Those I plan on using. As you can see, the product is down in there. And then as I scan this one, I want to make sure it comes up under the 12 and the 10 also. Okay? That's what I want to do. So let's scan that. There it is, $6.99 again. And there's the 12 and the 10. And this time I hit the 10 to make sure those products are up in there. And as you can see, there is a blue one. And it was another one up in there, that lip balm one, okay? Make sure your products is there. $6.99 times 2 is $13.98. If I use the $12, it'd be $1.98 or 99 cents each. Then if we do the $6.99 and use the $10 one, it'll be $3.98 each plus $1.99, okay? So I'm going to pick those 4 up. Now let's do this first deal. We're going to do the Vaseline and the 4 baby lifts. All right. If you have those coupons, I'll check both apps. I do have all of those coupons. So $4.99 plus 4 $6.99 you're going to add on to there. Takes you to $32.95. We do not want to pay that much out of pocket. Take your $2 off your Vaseline. Take your 12 off 2 of the baby lips. Then take your 10 off the other set of baby lips. Leaves you at $8.95. Divide that by 5 products, you're going to pay $1.79. But remember, we're going to earn that $10 because we did spend over $10. And those were manufacturer coupons. Now, another deal you could do is the Dawn Power Wash at $6.49. It's on sale for $4.99. We're going to scan it. When we scan it, we see it is a $2 coupon attached again. You need to turn that into a check mark. All right. Once you open it, again, I don't know why this app does that. Find your product down in there. Now, we're going to do this right here. We're going to add the Dawn, the Vaseline, and the 4 baby lips. Now, this is steep right here. $37.94. Start taking your coupons off. Let's see where we're at. And it's $11.94. Now, all of that out of pocket. You're going to divide that by this time 6 products. You'll pay $1.99 each. But then make sure you go that, take your $10 off. Don't forget your Walgreens $10 reward. I keep showing you that because a lot of people is saying that they don't see it. It's $1.94 for all of them, or 32 cents each. So you'll pay 32 cents for that dime, guys, if you just do the deal like that. Now, it is several more deals in here you can do. I want to show you a deal where you could do with all the dimes. This will make an awesome Christmas gift. I don't give traditional gifts. I'm going to give a gift that people can use, guys. So $4.99 plus the $9 because the dimes are 3 for $9, $13.99. Take your $2 away. You're going to pay $11.99 out of pocket. Once you get your $10 back, you'll end up paying 49 cents for each one of these. Awesome gift for 49 cents each, guys. That's a nice gift to give away. Now, I do have these coupons right here, a $2 one, 5, and then a $4. They don't expire as of yet, but I don't want them to. I'm going to use them on other things in the store. Do not use your coupons, your registered rewards, or Walgreens cash on this. Now we're going to pick up 2 Colgates at $6.99. They're on sale for $4. They have a deal where you buy 2 and get $3 registered reward back. Remember, I said you can earn some registered rewards and Walgreens cash with this deal. There's the $3 coupon. Of course, tap it, guys. Find your item. Make sure that coupon will attach, okay? So we're going to go $4.99, $4 for each Colgate, and $4.99 for the Dawn. Takes you to $12. Now, we have 2 sets of coupons for this deal. $2 off the Dawn, and then the 3 off of the Colgate. Leaves you to $7.99 out of pocket. Then after you cash out, you're going to get your $3 register reward. Leaves you at $4.99, and or $1.66 each. Then you will earn your $10. Now let's take all of the rewards and the Walgreens cash off. Make sure you remove your $3. And then take that 10 off that you're going to earn. $5.01 money maker, guys. So that deal is awesome also, and it makes a great deal for your gifts. Now you can come up in here, guys. It's a lot of BOGO deals right here. They have cereal for $5.99, buy one get one free. Check your app, check and see if you have coupons. The Pop-Tarts are $4.99, and they are also BOGO coupons right here. You also have more clearances. That coffee is awesome for $2.49. A coffee connoisseur, buy 4 of those, guys. Put a mug in it for $1. You got a gift set right there. These are 2 for $8 for the Sweet Baby Rays, and I'm going to grab 2 of those right there. Now, also the Jif is 2 for $5, and these jellies are included. So I'm going to grab 1 jelly and 1 Jif peanut butter. Now these right here, fell in my purse, guys. These right here, I will use those registered rewards on. I will do this after I use the other deals because they'll take the $10 off. Now let's look at our receipt. I did the Colgate and the 2 Dons. So that's $8. That's $4. Then I don't know what that Medicare is. Then the 3 and the $2 came off, left me at $7.99. And then we'll end up getting back, let's see, we're going to go all the way down. I ended up getting my $10 back and 12 cents. That left me at $45.28. And then I did get my $3 in register reward, guys. So pick those deals. I do have 2 apps, so I'm going to do this twice. I did this deal and I did the Dawn with all the dish soaps because I give away gifts. Bye.